Today, we're going to frost our knit cozy hat with coral frosting. We actually kept the hole for this color frosting nice and small so we can create these really pretty details and that really nice texture going across. Notice that I'm just piping the lines in the direction that the hat would go if someone were wearing it. Next, we move on to our white frosting here that we cut a nice big hole in so it seems nice and fluffy. You can use whatever texture you want here, but really the key is dipping it in those sprinkles when you're done covering it in white frosting. If you take a look at it here, I know it's kind of hard to see with the angle, but I actually just dip the frosting, that white frosting, right into those sprinkles. Here we go. Look at all of that beautiful sparkling sanding sugar. And don't be afraid to add a little extra on with your fingers at the end. This guy is just going to look so pretty when we hold him up to the light. Ta-da!